In this video, I'm going to show you how to find promo code deals for the TikTok shop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so for this demonstration, I'm going to be using my my web browser, sorry. And I'm going to head over to Google, and now in Google, I'm going to type in TikTok promo code or promo code for TikTok shop. I'm going to hit search, and then I'll be brought to the list of Google search results. So if we scroll down, you can see sites offering promo codes for TikTok shop. We've got some good third-party ones here. So we've got CouponFollow, 45% off promo codes. We've got Groupon, coupons.com, etc. So you can check out any one of these to get promo codes, but one I really like to use is CouponFollow. So I'm going to click into here for 45% off. And now I'm inside CouponFollow, and you can check out all the other promo code deals they got going on here as well. These do change daily, weekly, or monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates for even better savings potentially. And these codes do expire as well, so if one code has expired, just move on to the next one. So to activate one of these codes, simply click on the code. So I'm going to be using this 45% off your order plus free shipping. And now I'm going to click on copy code. And then from here, I want to paste this code at the checkout section of the TikTok shop to enjoy my 45% off.